In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a vanish point in Photoshop. First step, choose the text tool and write the text row. Go to the Photoshop menu bar undo option, then choose layer. Right click on layer and choose the rasterize layer. Then choose rectangle tool. Again go to the Photoshop menu bar and choose cut. Again go to the Photoshop menu bar undo option and choose vanish point. Ctrl V paste, Ctrl T. Again go to the Photoshop menu bar, select option, then choose subject. Choose lasso tool and shift hold increase selection. Ctrl J, layer by copy. Choose blending option. Choose gradient map. And choose brightness. And choose levels. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.